I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and we're going to sort a vector of structs in Rust. Let's start out by creating a new cargo project called sort a vector of structs, and then we'll change into that directory, and then I'll do a little reading before we get too deep. Okay, cool. So we're going to sort a vector of person structs with properties name and age by their natural order. So name and age. In order to make person sortable, we're going to need 4 traits: EQ, partial EQ, ORD, and partial ORD. These traits can be simply derived, and we'll see very shortly. And you can also provide a custom comparator function using a vec sort by method and sort only by age. So we don't need any fancy crates in our dependencies, so we'll just get right into it. I'm going to delete the main function body and we will get into declaring a struct. So we'll do a derive and then a debug, EQ, ORD, partial EQ, and then partial ORD. Awesome. Next, let's do struct person. And this person will have 2 properties: name, which is a string type, and age, which is unsigned integer 32 type. Great, we have our struct. And now let's do an implementation block for our struct, our person struct, namely a new method. And so person new, and then gotta pass a name and an age. And those types have to match the struct definition. And then this function will return self, which is a person, name, age. Awesome. And now we can get into our main function body. So let me do fn main, let mute people, a new variable binding, equals a vec, using our vec macro, of people. And so let's put some people in this vec macro. So create some new people. This one will be called Zoe. And we have to use the toString method on this string literal to turn it into a uppercase string type. And then we'll pass an age of 25. Awesome. Let's create a new person, or another new person. Call this one Al. Also need to do toString, and then Al is going to be 60. Finally, we'll have a person, named John. Just strong, John toString, and then John will be 1 year old. Great. So we have our vec of people. Next, let's sort people. People.sort. And let's just print out people. Awesome. Oops. Let's now do cargo run. And you can see the results were returned first with Al, age 60, next John, age 1, and finally Zoe, age 25. And so that makes sense if we're filtering by age. But also by name. So like Al. And so now let's just do, so yeah, age AZ, 60. Yeah, and so now let's sort by just age. because this was by name. So, yeah. So to do that, let us replace this sort statement. Actually, can we just do another people sort? Let's do sort by. And then let's add A, B, and then B dot age dot CMP, and then reference to A dot age. And then let's print out people again and see if the order is any different. Oops. Okay. See if this works. Nice. Okay, so first time we're getting Al, John, Zoe, because we're ordering by name and age. So name start. And then the second time we're sorting by age only. And so we get Al, Zoe, John, 60, 25, 1. Awesome. This was our quick little whirlwind tour of sorting a vector of structs in Rust. I'm Alex. This has been Code Along with Alex. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.